Welcome to WebBiz Market for business opportunities and insight. Today we will be talking about my top 7 companies that can help raise your credit score without challenging the 3 credit bureaus. As you know, maintaining a good credit score is crucial for financial stability and access to favorable borrowing opportunities. If you're looking to boost your credit score because you have bad credit due to financial hardship or have no credit history, you're in luck. We will explore 7 companies that specialize in helping individuals like you to improve their creditworthiness. They also offer unique services and strategies designed to enhance your credit score. Why are these companies a good fit to help increase your credit score? Number 1, they focus on alternative data. Many of these companies understand that credit scores are not solely based on traditional credit accounts. They consider alternative data, such as rental payments, banking history, and income, to provide a more comprehensive view of your creditworthiness. Number 2, they report to the credit bureaus. The companies on this list report your payment history to major credit bureaus. By consistently making on-time payments with their services, you can establish a positive credit history, leading to an improved credit score. Number 3, they provide credit-building products. These companies offer specialized products, such as credit builder loans and cards, designed to help you build credit. By using these products responsibly, you can demonstrate creditworthiness and boost your credit score over time. Number 4, they provide educational resources. Many of these companies provide educational resources and tools to help you understand and manage your credit effectively. These resources empower you to make informed financial decisions, establish healthy credit habits, and maintain a strong credit profile. And the number is they tailored solutions for unique situations. Whether you have a limited credit history, no credit, or a history of missed payments, these companies offer tailored solutions to address your specific credit needs. They understand the diverse circumstances individuals face and provide strategies to help overcome credit challenges. Now, let's take a look and discover how these 7 companies can assist you in achieving your credit goals. Number 1 is Rent Reporters. Rent Reporters focuses on the significant impact of rental payment history on credit scores. By reporting your rental payments to the major credit bureaus, Rent Reporters helps you build a positive credit history. This service is especially beneficial if you have a reliable rent payment track record but lack other credit accounts. Rent Reporter reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is rentreporters.com. Number 2 is Rental Karma. Similar to Rent Reporters, Rental Karma reports your rent payments to credit bureaus. Additionally, the platform offers credit-building tools and educational resources to help you understand and improve your credit score. Their comprehensive approach empowers users to take control of their credit and make informed financial decisions. Credit Karma reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is rentakarma.com. Number 3 is Self Financial. Self Financial offers a unique credit building solution through its Credit Builder account. With this account, you make monthly payments into a CD, which acts as collateral. As you make on-time payments, Self Financial reports your payment history to credit bureaus, positively impacting your credit score over time. Self Financial reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is self.inc. Number 4 is Tomo Credit. Tomo is one of the newer companies to offer a credit builder account. Tomo Credit provides credit cards designed for individuals with limited or no credit history. With Tomo Credit, you deposit money into an account, and then Tomo Credit uses that money to make payments on your behalf. For example, you could use Tomo Credit to pay your rent or utility bills. Tomo Credit reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is tomocredit.com. Unlike traditional credit cards, Tomo Credit evaluates applicants based on alternative data points, such as income and banking history. By responsibly using their credit card and making timely payments, users can establish and improve their credit profiles. Tomo Credit reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Number 5 is Credit Strong. Credit Strong takes a unique approach to credit building by offering credit builder loans. Credit Strong offers a variety of products, including a credit builder loan, a secured credit card, and a credit monitoring service. These loans are secured by funds deposited into a savings account. As you make regular payments on the loan, Credit Strong reports your payment history to credit bureaus, ultimately improving your credit score. Credit Strong reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is creditstrong.com. Number 6 is Kovo Credit Builder. Kovo Credit Builder is a credit builder account offered by the company Cabbage. With Kovo Credit Builder, you deposit money into an account, and then Kovo Credit uses that money to make payments on your behalf. For example, you could use Kovo Credit Builder to pay your rent or utility bills. Kovo offers a credit building platform that combines credit builder loans with educational resources. By making timely payments on the loan, you establish a positive payment history, while the educational materials equip you with the knowledge and tools to manage your credit effectively. Kovo reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is kavacredit.com. And number 7 is Kickoff. Kickoff is a credit builder program offered by the company Credit Sesame. Kickoff specializes in helping individuals with limited credit history or low credit scores by providing access to a credit builder card, in which you make monthly payments on a virtual credit card. Those payments are reported to the credit bureaus as installment loans. This card functions similarly to a secured credit card, allowing users to make purchases and build credit. By making consistent, on-time payments, you can demonstrate creditworthiness and improve your credit score. Kickoff reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Their site is kickoff.com. Final thought: raising your credit score is an essential step toward achieving financial goals and accessing favorable lending opportunities. These companies, Rent Reporters, Rental Karma, Self Financial, Tomo Credit, Credit Strong, Kovo Credit Builder, and Kickoff, offer valuable services and tools to help you improve your creditworthiness. By leveraging their expertise, their reporting capabilities, and their credit-building products, you can take proactive steps toward a brighter financial future. Remember this before we end the video: building credit takes time and discipline, so be patient and stay committed to your credit-building journey. Do you believe these companies can really help to improve your credit? Give them a try and let us know. Bye for now. WebBiz Market.